Hi everyone, so today we are carrying on with the SQL. This is my 5th video today. I basically just fired through these. I know they're only a couple of minutes long, so I don't really need to edit or anything. But today we are doing the SQL union select, which is retrieving multiple values from a single column. So the first thing we're doing is obviously trying to retrieve when it's in the same column. You kind of need to use the pipe functionality. The pipe functionality basically is just it's retrieving like a full row. I will explain this better in a sec once I've stuck this in. So normally I stick this in the repeater, same as usual. I've actually searched this one because I wanted to get a better explanation for you. So here you go. So this is kind of how it works when you're retrieving multiple values from a single column. You retrieve multiple values from a single column by concatenating. There you go. Concatenating the values together. Yeah. So it's probably just going to be this command, to be honest. I know it's only a Portswigger lab, but it is one of the hard application ones. Yeah, so you kind of pull back multiple things in the same column. So as the example shows below, so your password and username are the same thing, and separated by something, a character in some words. So in this case, the character looks like that. The basic premise of this is we're kind of going to have to go through this lab, and I assume this is going to be similar to the final output, but we will find out. So firstly, with the repeater, we will obviously, everyone knows it's going to break it. So union select means there's definitely them two tables there. Although it says they're there, I'm assuming they're there, but if just for the sake of process, this is the process I would normally go through when I do these kind of things, so it should come back. There you go. Okay, so there's only two. So this one should be this one should be password. This one should be username. Actually, it shouldn't, because they're in the same column. So these are probably going to be the same column. So for the sake of showing everyone, so the way it worked last time in the video was this was the end value, admin using password somewhere. So I'm assuming is, as we've talked about the command before, and looking at the values and the title of it, we are putting in concatenation, so it's pulling different values from the same table, and as long as you're specifying this where the break actually is, it will pull back the values. So this should pull back all the values you need, or not. Let's think about this. Let's get password, double things. I've done this about 3 times now, and every single time I've failed to pick up users. There you go. So what I said before, the username password is valid, is the right thing to do, but it's pull it back for the wrong reasons. So as you see, this separates them. So now all I have to do is log in as whoever this is. Actually, I don't need to have the password. So now that I'm going to log in as the administrator, I should be using just to prove the point, admin, log in. There you go. Perfect. So I'll see you for the next one.